Hello, welcome to this demo on how to use the Quickstart code on API Spreadsheets. Log in or create an account on API Spreadsheets and then go to the Upload tab. Here, click on Quickstart. The Quickstart is for when you need a quick JSON object and don't need data, or you have data in your website that constantly needs to be changed. Let's create a Quickstart API. My API is going to be information I need for my upcoming blog post on my website. So I'm naming my API blog post information. The description is going to be details and upcoming blog posts. Moving on to the values, first you have to select a type, enter the key, and then its value. My first key is going to be name of the blog post, which is a string. The value of that is how to do some functions. Next, I want to include the ID of the post itself, and that will be a number string, and the key will be post ID, and the value is 105. Keep in mind that if the type is number, the value has to be an integer. So if you write out the number 10, it will say please enter a number. Then I want to include a boolean that lets me know if this is a long post or not. So I'm putting the key for that as is a long post and the value is true. The last type will be null, and my key for that is post description, which in this blog post is null. Also, each key has to be unique. For example, if I write name, you'll get a message saying duplicate keys are not valid. As you can also see on the right side, the JSON response is automatically getting formed. Once you're ready, click on Create your Quickstart API. It will bring you to its Quickstart code page. With the Quickstart code, the only actions you can do is see the API usage, get the API keys, and whitelist URLs. Here you can see the JSON response that we created, as well as get the API URL. When you paste this link, you can see the JSON object. If you want to edit your values, on the top left, click on Edit Values, and I realized that the post ID is actually 108, and I also need to include the author's name. When you go back to refresh the JSON, the new information will appear. The Quickstart is the fastest API we have. Get started with Quickstart today. Check out our playlist for more in-depth demos and tutorials.